Hi children, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about EVS chapter 14 Natural Resources. Okay, let us start. Please listen children. Okay children, chapter 14 Natural Resources. Knowledge. Write N for natural thing and M for the man-made thing. For example, house, man-made thing. Birds, natural thing. Okay. Then N, natural thing. M, parachute, man-made thing. Umbrella, man-made thing. Hen, man-made thing. Okay. M, N, N, M, M, N. We will move the next page. Circle the odd one out. Okay, odd one out. This is man-made thing. This also man-made thing. This also man-made thing. So this only natural thing. So circle the odd one out. Circle. Identify write the names of the source of water given below. Waterfall. What is this? Waterfall. W-A-T-E-R. Waterfall. F-A-L-L. Waterfall. Second one, dam. What is this? Dam. D-A-M. Dam. Okay. Third one, what is this? Sea. S-E-A. Sea. Next one, what is this? Pond. P-O-N-D. Pond. Waterfall, dam, sea, pond. The next one, why do we filter and boil water? To remove impurities from water. To remove impurities from water. Find out 5 sources of water in the word grind given below and circle them. The first one, sea. S-E-A. Sea. S-E-A. Sea. The second one, river. R-I-V-E-R. River. The third one, lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. Fourth one, pond. P-O-N-D. Pond. Fifth one, well. W-E-L-L. Well. Sea, river, lake, pond, well. S-E-A-C. River. R-I-V-E-R. River. Lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. Pond. P-O-N-D. Pond. Well. W-E-L-L. Well. Okay children, we will move the next page. How much do I know? The germs present in water can be killed by dash. Boring, storing, boiling. Which one is correct? Boiling. Okay, the germs present in the water can be killed by boiling. A mountain is an example of dash resource. Natural, man-made, living. Which one is correct? Natural. A mountain is an example of natural resources. Third one, water is not used in breathing, transportation, putting out fire. Which one is correct? Breathing. Okay, water is not used in breathing. Okay, dust air is known as wind, moving, strong, gentle. Which one is correct? Moving. Moving air is known as wind. Dash is used for making jewelry. Metal, soil, water. Which one is correct? Metal. Okay, metal is used for making jewelry. Okay, once again, the germs present in the water can be killed by boiling. boiling, boiling. Second one, a mountain is an example of natural resource. Natural, natural, natural. Water is not used in breathing. Breathing, breathing, breathing. Dash air is known as wind. Moving, moving, moving. Dash is used for making jewelry. Metal, metal, metal. Children, have you understood these question answer? Okay, we will see the next class. Thank you for your listening, kids.